Alright, so we're here at my apartment. Let's go take a look inside. This is a two-person apartment. We're in 1240J. Check it out. So as you can see, we have a Margaritaville themed apartment. I'm a Margaritaville ambassador, so that explains why we have all these vines going throughout. All two-person apartments feature 2 couches as well as a coffee table, which we have moved outdoors for now just to have more space inside the interior. We also have 3 bar stools here, which is definitely sufficient enough for 2 people and if you have a couple friends come over. All the countertops are granite, and you'll see that in the bathroom when I bring you in there in a moment. In the kitchen, we have GE appliances, so we have convection microwave, as well as stovetop and your oven. And then over here, we have our dishwasher. Let me just come over. Dirty dishes in here right now, but it's just standard dishwasher. We also have a garbage disposal in here. And then cabinets, ample amount of space. All the way around. Have some drawers here. Put all your utensils. And then we have our refrigerator, which is pretty stocked. Back here, just laundry, just your standard washer and dryer with some storage space up top. We have a good amount of storage in this apartment. I've never had any issues with trying to store anything. Let's go check out the bedroom. So this is my bedroom here. There's a ton of space to be able to spread out all their stuff. This table didn't come with the apartment. It's just like a normal plastic Walmart table I bought to put some of my decorations in here. The bed and the headboard do come with the apartment, as well as this comes with the apartment and the desk. This is actually, I brought the printer and this. The lighting fixture I did have to go out and buy because these rooms are kind of funky in that there's no lighting in the entire room. The only light you have is just the walk-in light here, as well as the bathroom has lighting. There's no other lighting in here, so it's dark unless you go out and buy your own lighting fixture. The closet in this particular bedroom is a walk-in closet. Can't really open it because my jackets are taking up the wall here, but it's definitely a good size. You have storage space up top here as well as here. All my shirts hanging, and I also brought my own shoe rack at the bottom there. So that's this. Coming into the bathroom, it's a pretty good sized space for one person. I have the bathroom to myself. As I said before, it's a 2-person apartment. Granite countertops, it's very modern. Shower, just a very standard shower. The storage in here is kind of small, as you can see. It's not a lot of space, but it is pretty ample for having one person in here. It works for me. Next, over here, when you walk in, I have some more storage space here. So I have a lot of candy from Christmas and my biking stuff for when I want to go out for a ride. Now, my roommate's apartment is pretty much the same, except it's opposite. So everything that I had in my room, he has in his room, and it's just the other way around. He has 2 closets. He doesn't have one walk-in like I do. He has 2 right next to each other. They're not necessarily walk-in, but they do have an ample amount of space. And then he also doesn't have the shelves like I had in mine when I first walked into the right-hand side of the door. He doesn't have that on here on his side. That's pretty much the only difference. Everything else is the same. Coming out to the back here, we have a pretty large deck. You can see back here we moved our coffee table to have more space inside, but back here there's also storage room which we have stocked. We've got our bike rack and our popcorn machine in there right now, but it's definitely a large amount of space. You could put a whole bunch of your belongings back there. All right, so we're here at the clubhouse in the Harrison at James Madison University. We're gonna head in to take a look at the interior, but for now, if you look right next to us, we have complimentary basketball courts as well as a volleyball court. And we also have a fire pit lounge over there, along with some hammocks further off to the right. But for now, let's go inside. Come follow me in.
Oh, of course, please. Oh, yeah. Sorry. What are you shooting on?
For watching this video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns about the Harrison, please contact the clubhouse. The information is in the description below. Please rate and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.